The ZoneGuard fixed system is a permanently installed train tracking and secondary safety alert system. It is comprised of permanently installed train detection modules, or TDMs, and train alert modules, or TAMs, that make up a comprehensive system-wide communication and train tracking network. Workers are outfitted with wearable devices that are connected to the ZoneGuard network and provide the system with updated worker location information. Each TDM and TAM is configured with a customer and location-specific track profile, which includes the maximum allowable speed of every track segment and a configurable alert time for when trains are approaching connected on-track workers. As trains and workers are detected, the system continuously monitors their locations and calculates the intercept times between trains and connected workers in order to generate alerts at the configured time. This setup allows for workers and trains to receive alerts when trains are approaching workers despite track curves, tunnels, bridges, and when workers are working in multiple track territories. The ZoneGuard fixed system provides 24/7 train tracking capability and is online ready to be used by any number of roadway workers at any time with no configuration or setup required. While not requiring onboard installation to operate, an optional onboard component can provide real-time vehicle location information to provide precise warnings to train operators and workers when approaching an active work crew, and can allow for PTC integration through future updates.